Okay, I'm gonna see how much of this wood rot problem I can get fixed today. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna rip up the flex tape fix that I got and start chipping away at pulling out the rot. So this fix I'm doing I actually found out because when I posted my video showing that we were having mold and rot issues, someone else had commented on the video and they had a video on their channel that showed exactly how to fix this. So I'm pretty much doing the same exact thing that they're doing, and thank you for that kind of help. I really appreciate it. How far do I go? Okay. I pretty much think I have all of the wood rot out. My only concern is that corner, but it's such a tight space I can't really get in there. Plus with the next step, it should help that. So the next step with this is I have to saturate all the edges, or where I'm going to bond with this liquid hardener. So we have our hole, and we have most of the filler. So I'm going to attach that in place, but I'm going to do some putty work first. So I'm going to use this wood epoxy putty to fill in some gaps. So we got our chocolate and vanilla ice cream here, and then you take about equal parts of each. And just start squishing it until it's homogeneous. So now that we've blended our ice cream, I'm going to start filling in some gaps. This stuff dries within about a half hour, I guess it starts getting hard, so this project kind of has a bit of a time limit. The clock is ticking. Okay, so I put a board underneath as a support board, which I might actually just leave there because it can't hurt. I'm gonna tack filler board in place. All right. I think that worked pretty good. I think I've got it pretty well sealed. Maybe overkill, and there is nothing wrong with the overkill at this point. I'm gonna let this harden and we'll come back to it. Never said I knew what I was doing, but I saw it on the internet, so. Rock solid. I took the day off work and I'm taking the Scamp to the motherland today. Well, I brought the Scamp a little early. My appointment was at 11. I brought it there closer to 10. They said they won't be done until about 3, so I've got some time to kill. So I'm one-wheeling a section of the Heartland Trail and Paul Bunyan Trail. My battery is a little over halfway from when I left, so hopefully I can make it back to the car. I'm about 4 miles in. Well, the one wheel ran out of battery about a half mile from the car. Alright, just put 10 miles on the one wheel and I walked it for a half mile because I was out of battery. That's my route. Walker, went south, and back up, and then Alright, so you're probably wondering why we took it to Scamp, and I'll show you. One, we got new shoes. Our door handle was wobbly, so we got a new door handle on there. And for storage, we got this thing put in. Can you tell what part's new? Yeah, so this will add a lot of storage for us. It'll look a lot cleaner than what we were using with the cargo nets. And we'll be able to fit more stuff in here, and we're ultimately going to take less stuff when we hit the road next time, so that'll clear up a lot of space for us. So we're looking forward to that. And then the other thing was the converter. We got a new converter, which is actually smaller than the old one, so that also opens up some more space for us. And that's all we did at Scamp.